All right, let's get real for a second. Will AI take over creators in 2025? Or is this just another tech panic we've seen before? As a digital creator myself, I've been testing all the new AI tools, writing blogs, editing videos, even making music with just a few clicks. And honestly, things are changing fast. So here's what you need to know. AI is pretty impressive right now. It can spit out articles in seconds, cut a video, and remix a song without breaking a sweat. I mean, some of these tools can write scripts that almost sound like me. But here's the catch. Almost. AI is great at doing the boring stuff. It'll save you hours on repetitive tasks like trimming dead air from your podcast or generating captions for your clips. For creators, that's a game changer. It frees up time so I can focus on the fun, creative parts, the stuff that actually connects with you. But can it replace me or you? Not yet. See, AI doesn't get what it means to be human. It can remix and mash up, but it struggles with real stories, personality, and those weird ideas that just pop into our heads. That spark, that's what makes a creator valuable. If you're worried about being replaced, don't be. The creators who win in 2025 will be the ones who use AI as a tool, not a crutch. Think about it. Picasso had paintbrushes, we've got AI, the tech is just getting started, but it still needs a human touch. So here's my advice. Learn the tools, but don't lose your voice. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and let AI handle the hassle. Your creativity is still your biggest superpower, and no algorithm can copy that. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech trends, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think AI will ever truly replace creators? I want to hear from you. See you in the next one.